Pour warm milk and warm melted butter into a bowl. Check the warmness of milk mixture with your finger before adding sugar and yeast, because milk mixture should be warm but it shouldn't be hot. Even if it's hotter than warm, you should wait until it cools down. After adding sugar and active dry yeast, whisk it and leave to ferment for 10 minutes. After the fermentation is done, add 2 cups of flour to the milk mixture and stir with a wooden spoon until combined. We are going to add 1 more cup of flour after second fermentation step. The dough should be a little runny at this step. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for 1 hour. For the filling, combine the butter and brown sugar and beat for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add ground cinnamon and mix them well. You can keep it at room temperature. After the fermentation, add 1 cup of flour, baking powder and salt into dough. Knead dough for at least 10 minutes and you can add more flour as needed. Dough should be soft but doesn't stick to surface or your hands. Also, the dough should be spring back when packed. Roll the dough out into a rectangle shape, about 1/2 inch thick. And then spread cinnamon filling over the dough. Then roll up the dough. Cut the dough into 3 fingers thick pieces. You should cut the dough slowly. If you cut it hard as in the video, pieces will not be in a good shape. Place the cinnamon rolls in the pan. And then cover the plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm place for 40 minutes. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cinnamon rolls for 30 or 35 minutes. For the frosting, mix together the cream cheese, melted butter, milk, and vanilla extract until it's smooth. And then add powdered sugar into it and whisk it until homogeneous. When the cinnamon rolls are baked, let it cool for about 15 minutes. And then pour the frosting over the cinnamon rolls and finally you can eat.